National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harford County in northern Maryland, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 7 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Glen Westover to near Newtown, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Elkton, Aberdeen, Delaware Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Calvert, Riverside, Northeast, Rising Sunshine, Perryman, Charlestown, Cecilton, Warwick, Zion, Blake, Barksdale, Bohemia's Mills, West Nottingham, Brentwood, Fairhill, and Glen Westover. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Cecil, and Harford. A severe thunderstorm